How to make money on Instagram, a step-by-step guide. Hey there, Insta entrepreneurs. Are you ready to turn your scrolling addiction into a cash flow? Well, you've come to the right place. In this video, we're going to spill the beans on how you can make money on Instagram. Get your creativity caps on, because we're about to embark on a money-making adventure. Let's dive right in, building a strong personal brand, choosing your niche, optimizing your profile, creating high-quality content, growing your Instagram presence, understanding the Instagram algorithm, engaging with your audience, collaborating with other Instagram users, monetizing your Instagram account, sponsored posts and brand collaborations, affiliate marketing, selling products or services, additional monetization opportunities, and there you have it, my Instagram savvy friends. These fabulous ways to turn your Insta game into a money-making powerhouse. Remember, building a successful business on Instagram takes time, dedication, and lots of experimentation. So put on your creative hats, stay authentic, and let your entrepreneurial spirit soar. The Instagram world is your oyster. Happy money making! If you like this video, then click the like button, subscribe to our channel and smash that bell icon to never miss the updation.